Ritchie's Fabulae Faciles, Episode 8-2. In the previous episode, we read and translated from Aut Perseus through Vulneravit. For this one, we'll cover this sentence, monstrum through mercit. But first let's review. But Perseus, when he saw these things, drew his own sword, and after he put on his winged sandals, talaria, he was raised into the air. Then from above upon the monster he suddenly made an attack, and with his own sword he wounded the creature's neck severely. Monstrum ubi sensit vulnus, fremitum horribilem edidit, et cinemora totum corpus in aquam mercit. We start with the subject monstrum, which is the subject of sensit. Sensit is within this subordinated clause introduced by the conjunction ubi. The main verb of this sentence is edidit, and the second main verb is mercit. They are connected by et. So the creature, the beast, the monster, monstrum, neuter singular and nominative, when it perceived or when it sensed, sensit, the wound, it gave out a frightening roar. The verb sensit here is a third singular, perfect indicative active from the fourth conjugation verb sentio sentire. Its object is vulnus, which is a neuter singular and accusative. It's a third declension noun. When the creature perceived the wound, edidit. Edidit is also a third singular perfect, and this one is from the verb edo edere, which is a third conjugation verb. It let out or emitted a terrible, frightening growl. Fremitum is masculine singular and accusative. This is the fourth declension noun, fremitus, like so, fremitus, and it's modified by this third declension adjective horribilem. So the creature did that, and then, cinemora, without delay. Mora is feminine singular and ablative. This is a first declension noun. Without a moment's hesitation, totum corpus, its entire body, into the water, it hurled, or it submerged. Corpus is neuter singular and accusative. It's a third declension noun and the object of mercit. It's modified by totum, which is the same gender, number, and case. Mercit is from mergo, mergere, like so. It's a third conjugation verb, and mercit is a third singular perfect, just like edidit and sensit. So we say, it plunged its whole body, totum corpus, into the water. Aquam is feminine singular and accusative, and it's accusative because it's the object of the preposition in.